If you contact technical support with an issue with SOLIDWORKS, it's quite possible we'll ask for an RX file. That's so that we can see exactly the steps that you've taken to recreate that problem, and we can test it on our own machines and also forward this information on to the SOLIDWORKS technical team. So let's have a quick look at this RX file. You can access this through the Windows Start menu, but quite often you find you can just do a search for the letters RX and it will also pop up incredibly quickly, saves you the search. But I've just copied it onto my desktop, so let's just launch it from here. So it'll open up, we get our front page. Things that are useful here is an ability to bypass our graphics card. If it's a graphics based issue, this can help highlight there's an issue with that, or we could be, maybe there's some options that we want to bypass and see if that helps us. If we click onto the Diagnostics tab, we can see information about our graphics driver, whether it's up to date or not, when the machine was last rebooted, the amount of RAM. This can just be a general indicator of the spec of the machine. There is also a reliability report that we can have a look at here, where you can see either red dots or sort of yellow or orange dots. A red dot is a crash, a yellow dot is more likely caused through the task manager. Maybe the software just locked up and it was still processing something and you elected to kill the process rather than let it complete. But let's have a look at the problem capture. So we come to here. So it starts gathering information from your machine straight away. So we're going to go and record a video. You can include additional files here, but we're just going to keep it simple. So we're going to record a video. This is going to launch SOLIDWORKS. And the idea is we're just going to repeat the thing that is causing us an issue. It can even be used just to say, well, this is how I'm doing something, how am I best doing it? So you can hit the record button as well to make sure that is started. And let's just create a new part file, because maybe this is the issue that we were looking at. So I'm just going to draw something very simple. Okay, and we'll just go and extrude it. So maybe there was something about that process that was causing an issue of some sort, something I wasn't familiar with, I wasn't sure about. So once I'm finished, we would then choose to close the file. Okay. Ideally you would save it, but in this instance I'm not going to, which is generally not preferred, so I'm just going to hit don't save and we will close that down. And if I hit finish here, it takes us back to the RX screen. So we can see it has been gathering some information in here. It's taken a video of what we've just done on screen, okay, along with these journal files and settings files, so we can have a good look at what is going on there. So we're going to go and package this up, and this is going to create a zip file, and the latter half of that file will include a timestamp for when this was done. So we will just hit save on that. Okay, it's just going to get any other final files that it might need. Okay, so there's a message about our zip file. So we can continue now to step 3. And we can describe the problem. So this is where we can just, again, we're going to possibly send this off to someone in the SOLIDWORKS technical team. So we're going to try and make it as clear as possible. Okay. So obviously here I can't put anything particularly enlightening because it was such a simple step. So an issue was found. So created a new part, created a sketch, extruded sketch. So listing out those steps, so the SOLIDWORKS engineer as well as us fully understand what it is you're doing. In many instances we'll be able to assist you with this process as well. We can then give it a level of importance. Okay, questions are low, it's fairly low importance, it's like a how do I do something. Medium, there is a glitch, but you're able to work around it, but the tool maybe should work in a slightly different way. High, it's starting to impact on your ability to get your work done. Critical, it's like things are just not working at all. If you just submit everything as critical, it will get downgraded to the relevant level. Not to say that we will treat it with any less. If you do put it as medium or low, we will always treat it with the utmost care and attention. So here, it is. Try and put something in there. If you're losing time during the day, that's always a good thing to put in. So we just do that. We hit OK. Final box comes up here, so we can click to browse to the location, and it will show us our file. It's in the Documents folder under SW log files. Okay, and if we are done, we can then just exit SOLIDWORKS, and that's it done. That's how you create an RX file.